Has it ever occurred to you, like when you're speaking or trying to communicate with somebody and suddenly your voice started to shake and you are not able to find proper words to communicate with the person you are communicating? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Neeta Rawat, aka Neet Uplives. I'm a certified life coach, a motivational speaker and writer, a content creator and a dancer. And welcome you all to my episode number 3 of life coaching series with Needs. Okay, so today in this video we are going to talk something interesting about communication, which is 5 ways to improve your communication, 5 basic ways in which an individual can work upon their communication or anything to work upon it. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's dive in. Here is your step number 1. Start communicating. Start messy, start ugly, just start communicating. First technique, mirror technique. That is the best thing you can do when you are a beginner. जब आप कुछ चीज़ शुरू करते हैं और आपको नहीं पता आप कैसे करेंगे, start it with yourself. Nobody is your best partner than you yourself. So start it in the mirror. Start communicating your daily stuff, whatever you speak in daily life. आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, पानी चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो करना है, एक्सेट्रा एंड एक्सेट्रा. Start speaking in front of the mirror. Step number 2. Listen actively. Yes. See, I'll tell you from an example how I improved my English. So I used to watch Netflix a lot. Okay, I had this craze about watching, horror movies, vampires, and any kind of genre of, horror or supernatural stuff. So I always watched Netflix since like first year of the graduation, and that's how I realized that I used to listen. I didn't just watch the movies, I used to listen the way they are speaking. I used to notice, I used to listen each and every word. That's how I was able to speak fluently now. So yeah, active listening is very important. Be it a podcast, be it anything, a video, a motivational video on YouTube, Instagram, anything. You scroll every single day, everyone is scrolling. There are multiple videos in which people are just talking in English. You hear it, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, उस चीज़ को सुनो, वो चीज़ समझो, बट उस चीज़ को when you analyze it, आप actually देखो, hearing and listening are two different things. दोनों में बहुत difference है. सुनते सब है, समझता कोई नहीं है ना. तो लाइक दैट, तो सुनो उस चीज़ को और समझो, बिकॉज इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एक्टिव लिसनिंग, पॉडकास्ट सुनो एंड एनीथिंग, इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. यस, here comes your step number 3, which is read as much as possible. Read fluently, read continuously, wherever you go. आप दिन भर इंस्टा चलाते हैं, फेसबुक चलाते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ चलाते हैं. समटाइम्स देर आर सो मैनी रिटन कैप्शंस, कोट एंड समटाइम्स ओनली रिटन वीडियोज़, पूरा पैराग्राफ वीडियोज़ देर आर. सो रीड इट, है ना. लाइक you have so many books. If you like to read, आप बुक उठा लो, न्यूज़पेपर उठा लो, anything, read. And one more thing, same thing I'll tell you from my, like I told you, I watched Netflix. In Netflix, I used to listen as much as possible. Also, I used to see those subtitles in the beginning, because in Netflix the series is very high level English. It's like very fluent. When I was very young, like my 11th, 12th or first year graduation, then I needed that sometimes subtitles. So I used to listen carefully. Like obviously you cannot do simultaneously, it takes time. So what I used to do, अगर मैं बिल्कुल ही उस चीज़ को सुन रही हूँ कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, बहुत अच्छा सा डायलॉग बोल रहा है, चलो मैं इसको सुनती हूँ, तो आई यूज़ टू लिसन इट. मैं उसको अच्छे से सुनती थी. और मुझे कुछ चीज़ अगर बोलनी है, लाइक इट्स साउंडिंग वेरी शीक, बहुत अच्छा साउंड कर रहा था, आई यूज़ टू, हे यू, हाउ कुड यू, the thought just passed my mind, like something like that, मतलब जो चीज़ मुझे अच्छा लगता था, तो I used to practice. So I used to listen also, I used to read it. मैं उसको बोलती थी बार बार. Similarly, you try to read it. When you read ना, तो उस चीज़ को आप बोलते हैं एक्चुअल में. Reading like anything, जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, you speak it. Ultimately, when you're speaking, your fluency will improve. जब आप बोलेंगे ना, तो वो fluency improve होगी ही होगी. Here comes your step number 4, which is your environment. Your environment plays a very critical role. For example, if you're in school, college, working professional, or a home person like our moms, so English happens through environment. Communication happens through our environment. The way we are living in our environment, that a lot, it promotes our growth a lot. For example, if you are continuously surrounded by people who are communicating or interacting in English, what kind of effect it will have on you? Last but not the least, step number 5, which is consistency and discipline. No matter how much, you know, enthusiastically you started, no matter how hard you are listening, how actively you are listening, how actively you are, continuously reading your stuff, until and unless you will maintain a discipline to keep all of this step number 4s. Yes, until unless you get all these 4s all together every day, everywhere, until you get it. And I think you have to do it throughout your life. That consistency and discipline is something that you will learn with time, that with this, these 4 are in your hands. With that, you're able to improve your 5 basic ways to improve your communication in English. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all learn and grow, and very soon you all will be very fluent in English. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Bye bye.